Hi guys, I am Akanksha Sehgal and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then welcome to my channel. If you're someone who loves DIYs, crafts and want to know more about crafting business and dive into my journey, then make sure you're hitting that subscribe button. So today's video is the part 2 of daily handmade challenge. It is something in which I make something handmade daily apart from my regular orders. I have discussed about this in detail in my part 1 video, so make sure you're checking that out also. I leave a link to that here and in the description box below. And today I will be sharing what all I made from day 31 to day 60. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So on day 31 I made these glitter bows. This was the first attempt, and in this I got the shape a little wrong, but I corrected it later. So this was what I created on day 31. Then on day 32 I made these tassels, paper tassels, and I loved how this gold color went with all the 3 colors. I made more in these 3 only, but these are the 3 that are left right now. So I've talked about this booklet in my part 1, so do check that out and know the story behind this. But on day 33 I created this layout, and this started with something else in my mind, but it turned out like this, and I'm really happy it turned out like this. I used some blue color flowers, like this was some leftover flowers from a particular set, and I used these, and then I inked the base here. I just used dark blue and light blue and then colors of blue. I had some old photos lying with me, so I thought why not give them a nice look. And I'll be making more of these layouts, and I'll try and shoot process videos for that. And for day 34 and 35 I made these 2 cards respectively. So this is the first card and this is the second card. I initially pasted them onto the sheet, but then I removed them later because I thought I can use these in my projects as it is. So I then just clipped them on with paper clips. So these are the layouts. Then for day 36 to day 40 I made these watercolor images, and and I created these for a college project. And guess what guys, the project stands postponed for indefinite period of time, and I might switch to some other project for this particular thing, and I'll not be needing these pictures right now. So I don't know what I'll do with these things, but I'll surely try and accommodate these somewhere. Do let me know in the comment section below if you have any ideas on how I can use these in some of the upcoming projects. I feel I'll use them in some of my journals and stuff, or glue books maybe. Then for day 41 I made this feather envelope. So it has 2 pockets, one here and one here. I'll try and make a tutorial for this and put it up on the channel. Then for day 42 I made these cute little envelopes. Again, it has multiple pockets in here. I'll try and make the tutorials for these one as well very soon. I have a lot of tutorials lined up to be shot and uploaded. Then for day 43 I made these watercolor messages. If you have seen the part 1 for this video, you know how much I am loving these watercolor backgrounds, and I again made these, and they turned out so cute. It says you make me happy, and this is I love you with all my heart. So these were really cute. Then for day 44 and 45 I again created some layouts, card layouts, and this one I made on birthday theme. So whenever I am making these cards, I pick up one theme and make cards on that theme. Like for this one it was love theme, and for this I chose the birthday theme. And by the time this video will be up, I think this diary will be filled more, and I feel that I'll be removing these cards from this diary and storing them somewhere else so that it's easier for me to use these up in my projects. But yes, I'll try and create more layouts and give you the process videos. Then for day 46, I made these tags for my junk journals. I made these from scrap sheets and old newspapers, and this has a pocket. And I'll be filming a tutorial for this very soon. The only problem I am facing right now to shoot and put the tutorials up is the load from the college that I'm getting. But I'll try and figure out something. Maybe I'll increase the number of videos per week. Currently I'm posting on every Monday and Thursday, but I might post 3 days a week from now. But I hope I get the time to edit the video, so let's see how it goes. Then coming back to the topic, for day 47 I made these 2 journal cards again. This time I used some magazine images, and this one I have shot the tutorial already. I just have to edit it, and let's see when it goes up on the channel. I hope I get the time to edit it soon and put it up. Then for day 48 I made this shaker card. So I had some ID card, the covers of the ID cards with me, and I used that to make this shaker. I attached a paper here so that we can scribble here, or let's see how I use this. But I really liked how this turned out. Then for day 49, I made these 2 pockets, vellum pockets. I used vellum here, and this was pretty much about these 2 pockets. I don't have a story behind these. Then for day 50 I made these cute Polaroid cutouts, and this one I made as a shaker, and I really loved this one. Let my camera focus. Yeah, I really loved this one, how this one turned out. It has the hearts, the pink, and this sand is basically the Rangoli colors that I showed you in my craft collection video. This is according to a birthday theme, for Kinda Love theme, and this is very general one. So yes, these were the 4 tags that I made. Then for day 51 I made this cute little album, and it has 5 pages, 10 sides, and this can hold photos in it as well. It is up for sale on my store, so you can check that out. It is up for sale on my Instagram store currently, so you can go check that out. Then for day 52 I made these rosettes. I tried making these half semicircle rosettes, and they turned out really cute. Then for day 53 I made this cake, paper cake, and I kept it very simple. I was just trying how I can assemble this cake, and I kept it very simple. For day 54 I made these cute popsicle boxes, and I'll soon be making something to put inside these, and I'll post about it on my Instagram soon. Then for day 55 I again made one cake, and this time I kept it more in an elegant theme, colors and all that pearl work and everything. Then for day 56 I made some cute paper flowers, and they work quite well in projects, as well as they look really nice as props for clicking pictures. Then for day 57, I made this cute little book page pocket. It's a transparent one. It has a pocket here and a pocket here, and I hand stitched this one, and a tutorial for this is already shot, and I have discussed the story behind this pocket in detail there. I'll try and get that edited very soon and uploaded very soon. Then for day 58, I made some paper roses, and I really loved how these turned out. I really love roses and I really loved how this turned out. Then for day 59, I made this envelope here, and it's not just an envelope, it has a pop-up box in it. I have made this in bigger sizes, but I tried making this in a smaller size this time. So this was about this one. And for the last day which is day 60, I made this shaker gift card. And initially when it was completed, I thought it's looking very dark, so I added some stick-ons, but I have still kept it a bit plain. I'll be putting up pictures and other tags, embellishments depending on the theme for which I'll be using this. So if it is going in a birthday card, I'll use sentiments according to that, or anniversary or something like that. I'll see, and that is why I kept it plain currently. And yes,
so this was everything that I made from day 31 to day 60 of my daily handmade challenge. Do let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite.
so this was it for today's video, and I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you're following me on Instagram and Facebook so that you get insights for these daily challenges before the videos get uploaded. But yes, I discuss a bit more detail about these things on YouTube here. But yeah, this was pretty much about this, and I'll try and get the tutorials shot, edited and uploaded very soon for a lot of these things, and the process videos for the layouts. And yes, this was pretty much about today's video. I will see you guys super soon in my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.